अरे आवाज नहीं आ रही है. You are not audible. I cannot hear you.
क्या करना है, ऐसे इसमें लगा के रखना है? ये तो इधर तो लगा है लेकिन इसमें. हेलो, कैन यू ऑल हियर नाउ?
Yes, sir. Now we can hear.
ओके फाइन, ठीक है. बुक का हुआ क्या? हाँ. Why is this window not going now? Anybody has the textbook? Give me the textbook. Textbook. So all of you are going through the activity in the textbook. Are you trying the in-text questions as well? Okay. So do you have any questions till here? Anybody? All right. So let's begin with lens formula and magnification. Lens formula.
Sir, now we cannot see the board.
You can't see the board.
Yeah.
Earlier you were able to see the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. Which one? Then this one? Yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is lens formula? Did we do mirror formula? What was mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. Here it will be 1 by v minus 1 by u. That's the only difference, right? So lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. What is it? It expresses the relation between focal length, image distance and object distance in case of lens, right? So lens formula expresses the relation between the focal length, the object distance, okay, focal length f and the image distance. Okay, in case of, that's it. So in case of lens, the lens formula is given with this form. Only difference is now what appears is the negative sign, right? Now some tips when we are using this formula to solve numericals, right? While solving numericals, so this is a tip. While solving numericals, the values, the given values of f, u and v must be substituted with proper sign, right? The unknown should be left as it is, means without any sign. Unknown, the unknown variable, that is u, v or f, must be obtained, yes, by calculation. Okay, so what value sign you will substitute? Only the given value, right? Whose book is this? So write this down and you get a book. Okay, so next is the magnification formula. Magnification formula. Is the audio? Okay, the magnification formula. Am I audible, online students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So open the textbook. The question number is, it's a solved example. Just read the question. Don't see the solution. Acha, before that, let's do the magnification formula. So what is magnification formula? In case of mirror, you might be aware already. Magnification formula. So it basically gives the size of image, right? Comparison of size of image with respect to size of object, or height of image with respect to height of object. It gives the relation between height of image and the height of object. Okay, and is expressed as, so m is equal to h dash upon h, where m is magnification, h is height or size of object, h dash is height or size of image. Okay, so this is same as mirror, but also m is equal to v by u. In case of mirror, it was minus v by u, but in case of lens, it is just v by u. Okay, the proof of these formulas are not in scope. You just have to memorize these formulas. In 12th standard, you will, okay, brought the book. In 12th standard, we will see. Yes. H dash. It's not 1. 1 will be if it is down. Sometimes you can write, or it could be H1, H2. Image follows object, okay? So 1 will always be object. 2 will be image, right? So H1 or H, or H2 or H is this. Let me also complete power of lens. Then we'll do numericals together. So we have so many numericals in the volume. We'll try to do them today. Okay. Have you written the left side? Can I erase it? Online students, can I erase it? Left side?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next is power of lens. Okay, so its symbol is E. Okay, before power, do you remember what was the sign of magnification? No, that's the symbol M. Sign, positive or negative. Depends on the type of image, right? So for real image, what is the sign? Negative. For virtual, it is positive. Okay. For both lenses, convex or concave. Now what is power of lens? Any idea? In anybody's school, is it completed, this topic? Yes, sir. So what is power of lens? Okay, okay. That's mathematical definition, but what does it mean? So can you tell me, if the focal length is less, what does it mean? The power is more, right? Which means it will bend the input light more at a closer distance, right? Bending is more. Then only you'll get short focal length, right? So what is power of lens? It is the ability of the lens to converge or diverge the incident rays after it passes through the lens. Through it. Okay? So for example, if I give you so when the lens is thin, right, its curvature is less. Curvature is less. So its center of curvature will be at a farther distance. What is curvature? Less curved. The surface is less curved. So that means it will have a bigger radius, right? When you have a thicker lens like this, thicker lens has more curvature. So its center will be closer to the lens. Do you agree? Right. So obviously, therefore, which lens will be able to bend more, thicker or thinner? Which lens will be able to bend more? This one is f2, 2f2, this is f1, 2f1. Dekho, when you have a parallel rays incident, right? So it is converging at f1. Okay, and in this case, so whose focal length is smaller, the thinner or thicker lens? Thicker. So which is more powerful? Which has more power? Thicker lens. Understood? Because it is bending it more. This is bending it at a greater distance. Okay. So that's why the thicker lens is more powerful. Is this meaning understood? What is the meaning of power? Yeah. So same case in the diverging lens, right? The focal length will be closer on the front side of the lens. Okay, similar, right? So therefore, since so that's why the relation of power mathematically it is given as, it is expressed as E is equal to 1 by F. Okay, so smaller the focal length, more is the power. There is an inverse relation, right? So unit of power is diopter. Diopter, capital D. When F is expressed in meter. Very important. So power is in diopter. Only when F in meter. So maximum mistakes student do here. The question may, if focal length is given in centimeter, you write the unit of power as diopter and leave focal length in centimeter. Okay, so you have to convert it into meter. Okay, so is this understood? What is power of lens and all right. So whenever you have optical instruments like telescope, cameras, you have so many lenses in it, right? So when there are more than one lenses, so what is the cumulative power? You just add it as per their signs, right? So what will be sign of a converging lens? Power of converging lens? Positive or negative? Negative. Why is that? Power sign will depend upon sign of focal length. Focal length for convex lens is positive or negative? Yes, positive. So power will also be positive. Okay. So sign convention for power. For power of lens. Power. E is positive for converging lens. E is negative for diverging lens or concave lens. Why? Since F is positive. Power only depends on focal length, as in F is negative. Okay, so everything is linked. So there's nothing really that you have to memorize. It should be automatically understood. So in combination of lenses, right? Total power is 1 plus P2. All the powers of the lenses will be algebraically added with their signs, right? And net magnification M is equal to 1 M1 into In this case, it is multiplied. Like that. Got it? Like in cameras, telescopes, say, suppose, for example, let us say you have a system of lens like this. Imagine you have a system of, you have an equipment which has two lenses that are convex and one lens which is concave, right? So let us say this lens power is, so how will you write? So therefore P will be, let's say this is lens 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? So P will be equal to P1 minus P2 plus P3 for this case, right? And what will be M? M will be equal to, so this will obtain real image, right? So real is minus M1. This is always virtual into M2 into minus M. Okay? So you'll substitute the values with sign. So P1, P2, P3 are values, right? Okay. So if there is a question which involves combination of lenses, we'll make use of these formulas. All right. Now, so anybody has any question till here? So with this, we have come to end of theory portion of this chapter. Page 150. This is new now. So new is 158. Old book will be. Do you have old book also? Okay. I'll tell you the old book page number. Old book is 184. This is new book. One 184. Okay. So the first question goes like this. You'll raise your hands. Is the writing completed? Okay. 2 minutes. So read the questions, those who have completed the writing. Try to attempt it. So the first question is, Define one diopter of power of lens. One diopter. These questions might be solved in volume as well, so you can locate that. Define one diopter of power of lens. So what is it? Since P is equal to 1 by F, therefore 1 diopter is equal to 1 by 1 meter. So the focal length should be 1 meter, right? So a lens of power 1 diopter has a focal length of 1 meter. Okay? This you have to remember. So who wants to attempt second question? Write down the given data. Given, what is given? It is a convex lens. And what is the image type? Real and inverted. Right? If it is real and inverted, that means the object must be placed beyond focus. Okay? Always beyond focus. Next is U is given as okay, this is V, right? Convex lens form a real and of a needle at a distance of no, it is U. So U is equal to always minus 50 centimeter, right? In question, the sign of object is not given. No, this is image. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex? See, this is a confusing question. It is V, right? It is V. Now, if it is real, then where will the image form? Before the lens or after the lens? Before the lens. Is it mirror or lens? Lens. And it is real. So rays will meet. They can meet only after refraction, right? So V must be positive. See, this is where you have to capture the sign correctly from the nature of image, right? Real and inverted in case of lens will be always behind the lens. See the ray diagrams. I said the object has to be placed beyond F for real images. So what ray diagrams? All first 5 ray diagrams till F. And see the rays, where are they meeting? After. So V will always be positive. Okay? So 50 centimeters. Correct? This is how you will figure out the sign. Where is the needle placed in front of convex lens? So U is equal to what? Now you won't say U as negative because this is, you have to calculate. Remember what is the tip? The variable which is not given, you use as it is. That sign will be obtained after calculation. Okay? If the in front of if the image is equal to the size of the object, right? So what is given? Given h is equal to h dash. This is also given, right? So image is equal to size of. Also find the power of the lens. So many things. So once the data is captured, right? So given, also given. Okay. So from this, what do you obtain? You can obtain magnification, right? M is equal to h dash by h is equal to 1, and this is equal to v by u, right? Therefore, v is equal to, so it implies equal to 1. This implies v by u is also equal to 1. This implies v is equal to u. Okay, so this is a very good question. So many things are inferred from the given data, right? And I don't even need to solve it. When do we get at C, right? So where will be the image formed? At 2f1, right? And the object is kept at 2f2, that 50 centimeter पे तभी तो size बराबर आता है. So if you have in your mind the ray diagram's clarity, you can even without solving judge or predict the answer. Okay, so the answer should be u should be equal to minus 50 centimeter. This should be the answer, because where is the image obtained? At 50, at plus 50, right? So where should be the u? Minus 50. Is it clear? Okay. So solution. Let's see if we get it. So how do you find it? Since m is equal to v by u, right? And m we obtained as 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to plus 50 divided by u. And m should be, what is the sign for real image, right? So dekho, so it should be minus 1, right? Because image is inverted. So h dash must be negative, right? So h is equal to h dash, but h dash has to be negative. So this will be minus 1. Okay? Real and inverted. So m will be negative. So this also, because it is given real, so you have to take m sign as negative. Okay? So therefore, what do you have? This means u is equal to minus 50 centimeters. This is what we were expecting. So in this question, we have not used the lens formula. Only logically, from the given data, we have been able to obtain the object position. Okay, so this is the answer. How is? Because minus 1, no? You multiply by minus, cross multiply. U will be going here and minus 1 will come here. Then multiply minus 1 in numerator and denominator. We don't have to forget mathematics of previous classes, okay? Fraction. So this is just mathematical calculation. Anybody has difficulty understanding how we got minus 50? This is mathematics. Physics is still here. Okay, this is physics, but this is mathematics. सही पकड़े ना? बहुत सही. तुम भी पकड़ो अब. हाँ, सिर्फ भागते मत रहो, पकड़ो. चलो मैं कर देता हूँ इसको. देखो, you can write this as plus 50 divided by minus 1. ठीक है? So u is equal to plus 50 into minus 1. ये minus 1 तो था ही, into minus 1. Okay? This is how we'll do it. So this minus 1, now you get minus. You're not expected to show all the steps. You're confident, you can directly write it. This is understood by a 10th standard student, okay? All right. So also find the power. Now power will be what? For power you need focal length. Now this is such a question that with very few data, you have to actually find everything. So now this is our answer. Next is power. So power is equal to 1 by F. Next. But 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So F निकालना पड़ेगा पहले. So what is V? 50 minus 1 by minus 50. We got U from the first part. So this is 1 by 50 plus 1 by 50. So common denominator, this is equal to 52. This gives 1, F is equal to, take reciprocal now. Yeah. 25 centimeter. Focal length is plus 25 centimeter. Was it expected? Because convex lens. So positive, right? So now power, therefore power. Now you have to convert. Before calculating power, you have to convert it in. Yes. Yeah. Yes, you can take half also. That is because we already know that since the image size is same, right? So it is at C. So therefore F is half of it. But mathematically, when you have to show, you can show like this, right? So either method, right? But I think do this, getting marks. Okay. Otherwise, wahan pe when you write directly, you copied it. How? You know? Teachers are more convinced by mathematical steps. It hardly takes a minute. Now, so what is power? So this is all. This is equal to how much? 0.25 meter. That is F is equal to. Therefore, what is power? Therefore, power is equal to 1 by 0.25, which is equal to 100 divided by 25, which is 4. So plus 4 adapter. Where is the answer? Okay. So whatever we have discussed theoretically today, everything has been covered in just one question. This is the beauty of solving numericals. And in-text question has some good questions, so you should not miss it. So anybody has any question in this? Next question, find the power of convex lens of focal length 2 meter. Chalo, who will do it? I want somebody to come here and do it. Shall I erase it? Yeah, come. So this is the third question. Do not leave any question of optics. Do try to solve as many as you can, because sign convention, you'll get some time to get used to it. Okay? Maximum error happens only in getting the correct sign. और तो कुछ है नहीं formula. I don't know. You read it? This question you are doing. So do it. I'll help you after you solve it. ठीक है. Negative. So see what. So this is what why I call student, so that everybody knows what are the mistakes you do. So first mistake is straight away write the formula and solve the. So what is the first step? Given all the data capturing, right? So you start with this. What is given? Name of the lens is concave. See why you made a mistake? Because you did not notice that it is concave. Okay? Why the name is important? To get the idea about sign. Okay? So if it is concave lens, and what next is given? F is equal to therefore -2 meter. Concave lens focal length is minus. So that is why the mistake happened. You cannot write 1/2 is equal to -0.5. How can you write it? The minus has to appear here. Got it? So these are the small mistakes you end up doing when you don't follow the correct steps. So this is -5.5 diopter. Clear? So do not miss this step of capturing the given data. Start from the name of the lens or mirror. Okay? Because the last question, the magnification has to have a negative sign, right? That will come only by concept. वहां पे कैसे समझ दिया है object size is equal to image size. So now you know that where is image happening? If this is C, this is also C, right? So image is happening on this side. Ah, देखा? The image is happening on this side. So if this was H, so this has to be H dash. So it is minus. तभी तो M will be equal to minus H dash upon H. And H, what is given? H is equal to H dash is given. This is given. Therefore, this becomes -1. So if you don't have the clarity about how the ray diagrams are forming, you'll make a mistake here. That's why remember the sign convention of M, P, E, U. Okay? So when you combine all this, so many cases erupt. That's why solve all the questions. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Very good. So who is going to be next? All questions you are going to solve. Okay? So chalo. We do the textbook exercise questions. First we finish all of them. So there are some 17 questions in this, right? So what you will do is you will take turn in reading questions and then answer, right? Close your volumes. Do you have textbook? So then keep the paper on the answer, right? Be honest. So in volume, it is given as answer is at the back. Okay. So which one of the following materials will start from you? Read. Exercise question. Which one of the following materials cannot be used to make a lens? Somebody tell her the page number. 185. First of volume. Volume page number is? Okay, everybody, we are doing NCERT exercise question. So, old book, what's the page number? 185. New book, Old book. What is the page number of new book? New book is 159. And what is the page number of UT volume? Huh? 51. Okay. Page number. These are page number. So everybody, whatever you have, just open it. So we are doing question number 1. Chalo. What's the question? Read it. So the materials are water, glass, plastic, and clay. What is the requirement for making a lens? It should be transparent. So except clay, everything else can be transparent. Today the lenses you have, they are fiberglass. So it can be a category of plastic. Okay? So only clay is not possible. So answer is clay. Next, second question. You read it.
The image from content.
Yes. So in which case, this is first of all concave mirror. Okay? So concave mirror. So for what object position you get a virtual image in case of concave mirror? Yeah. See, this is how the question is asked. Yes. Whenever the virtual image is larger than the object, it has to be between focus and pole. Optical center, is this mirror or lens? Huh? Mirror. So mirror के केस में क्या होता है? Pole. देखो क्या होता है? You just finished studying image formation by lens. Now the question you are attempting is on mirror, and the concave mirror forms same type of images as convex lens. ठीक है? That's why the entire confusion. So you have to attempt the questions of mirror and lenses together to get rid of this confusion. Now what are the image position? The convex mirror virtual images are always diminished. The only possibility when the virtual image is magnified is when the object is placed between focus and pole. In case of mirror, which mirror? Concave mirror. And in case of convex mirror, between focus and optical center. Okay? So now you have to do it together to get out of this confusion. So what's the answer? Option D. Between pole of the mirror and its principal focus. Right? Everybody is clear what is principal focus? What is it? Who would like to answer? Incident parallel rays. Correct. Yes. Principal focus is the point where the parallel incident rays meet after reflection or refraction. Now you use the word after reflection or refraction. So people understand. Reflection to mirror mein hoga, refraction lens mein hoga. Okay? Same case for virtual and real. After reflection or refraction, wherever the rays meet, which image will form? Yes. Real and inverted. So now we are adding one more word. After reflection or refraction, wherever the rays meet, real image will form. After reflection or refraction, wherever the rays appear to diverge from, which image will form? Virtual. So now the story is complete. Okay? When you take both mirror and lens into account. So what is the answer for second question? Option D. Which is, you read what is option D. Everybody, those who don't have clarity on this question may ask. All of you have understood? Shall we proceed to next question? Okay, next question, third, you will read. Louder, huh? The whole class. No, read the full question. Where should an object be placed so that in front of is not given? So this is the problem, right? So we have some typographical error. So you should have the textbook. That is why I say you bring textbook also. Okay? So I'll read the question for you. Where should and you should write it. What is missing in you? Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens? In front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object. So you just reshuffle, right? Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Meaning the image size is same as size of the object. तो कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा? Yes, मतलब at center of curvature, है ना? At 2f 1 और 2 2 मतलब फ्रंट में कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के फ्रंट में कौन सा कर्वेचर है? सेकंड वाला है, सेकंड सरफेस का कर्वेचर, ठीक है ना? तो which is you will write 2f2, which is what? Which option? Huh? At twice the focal length. B, option B. ठीक है? So next, you read it. Yes, fourth question. Hmm. 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 No, his turn. Yes. Everybody do it for yourself. Write in the notebook. I'll come and check. So one person reads and everybody will attempt the question. So I'm not going to kill you. You just try. Read and try. If you're missed any lecture, okay. You took an extra lecture or you will take an extra? How many classes you missed? 2 long ones? Oh my God. That cannot be covered in an extra lecture. I've told you. So what you do is go through the video. Yeah, so you can still do that. So you find time later on. It's okay. It's okay. What I'm saying is, if you miss these long lectures, no extra lecture can fill in for it. So you go through the video lecture, right? For notes from your friend and copy it down. Go through the note, then come for extra lecture. Because extra lecture में the time given is like for a so you can't do it only. I will run through it, then you'll be stressed more, right? Chalo. So have you got the answer? Yeah. What is it? Yes. मतलब you are not sure? Concave, whether mirror or lens, both focal length is negative. Okay? So there are few things universal. So one of this is the focal length, sign, right? So both concave, right? What is the option? How many of you got it right? How many of you thought this is the answer? Is it A? Raise your hands. Very few. Not many were sure about it. So why is this? What is the question? A spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens. So thin या thick से कोई nature तो change नहीं हुआ, है ना? So mirror or lens have each a focal length of minus 15 centimeters. So focal length sign is negative. So where to get the answer? Sign convention table which I gave, right? I gave one table for mirror and one for lens. Now see, focal length is negative for what type? Concave. Okay, so that's the answer. So the mirror and lens are likely to be both are concave. Next. Question number 5. You read it. Yes. Read it loud. Hmm? What is the correct option? Concave. You don't get erect image in convex. What is it? Plane or convex? In convex, you don't get a convex mirror. Don't you get a erect image? All the time. It's only diminished. So it is plane or, see, plane image, yes, it is always virtual. So it will be erect. But is it not virtual in case of convex mirror? It is not saying big or small. Read the question. Right? So the correct option will be either plane or convex from the given option. ठीक है? Concave only. Is it correct? Do you get erect image in concave? Always. Sometimes or only one time when the object is between focus and pole. But it says concave only. So that's why it is not. But it is not that the upright image doesn't form in concave. Right? All right. So correct option is question 5. What is the correct option? Option number? Option D. Right? So for question 5, the correct answer is option D. So now in the new pattern, many objective questions are expected. So these kind of questions, right? So in exam, if you're not sure, okay, try to attempt the objective questions in the end, because these are less number questions, but it takes sometimes a lot of time in thinking. Attempt them always in the end. Okay? Only attempt which you are very sure of. Okay? Next. Question 6. तुम पढ़ो. Read the options also. All the options. तुम पढ़ते हो तो कैसे पढ़ते हो? 50 आधा मीटर दूर रख के पढ़ते हो या पास में रखते हो? तो 50 वाला तो खत्म हो गया. ठीक है? दिस इज हाउ यू फिल्टर द ऑप्शन. तो कन्वीनियंट होना चाहिए. तो कन्वीनियंट वाला कौन सा है? कर क्या रहे हो? स्मॉल लेटर्स फाउंड इन द डिक्शनरी. तो तुमको क्या लेना है? मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास. तो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास तुम कहाँ रखते हो? आंख के पास या ऑब्जेक्ट के पास? मतलब दोनों पास पास ही रहता है. ठीक है? तो पास रहता तो 5 सेंटीमीटर वाला कौन सा लेंस रहेगा? कॉन्वेक्स या कॉनकेव? कॉन्वेक्स. क्योंकि अपने को लेटर को मैग्नीफाई करना है. कॉनकेव में क्या होता है? सीधी तो दिखेगी लेकिन छोटी दिखेगी, है ना? बिटवीन इनफाइनाइट एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. कॉनकेव में क्या दिखेगा? और छोटा दिख जाएगा. हमको और छोटा नहीं करना है, हमको क्या करना है? बड़ा करना है. तो कौन सी वर्चुअल, खाली एक ही वर्चुअल इमेज मैग्नीफाई होती है. किस केस में? यहाँ पे लेंस की बात हो रही है. कौन से लेंस में इमेज मैग्नीफाई होगी? कॉन्वेक्स में. जब ये ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे होएगा? फोकल लेंथ और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में, यानी 5 सेंटीमीटर के अंदर. हम अगर कोई छोटा लेटर देखते हैं तो लेंस को नजदीक रखते हैं ना. वेरी क्लियर, राइट? इफ योर फंडास आर क्लियर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? सी ऑप्शन. Okay, question 6
Sir,
answer.
What
Yes.
would have happened if you would have taken the lens of focal length 50 centimeter?
Repeat slowly. Speak slowly.
So what would have happened if we would have taken convex length of focal length 50 centimeter? Like what difference would it make?
Are you moving while speaking? We are not able to
No,
hear you.
I'm not moving. I'll just write in chat box.
Write it on chat box. Where is the chat box now? This? Have you written it on chat box?
I'm writing.
Speak again. Speak again. Speak a bit louder.
I'm done typing it.
What will be the difference if we use the lens of focal length of 50 centimeter? Yeah, I mean, no difference. You still have to place the length close. Let it have 50 centimeter.
Like what kind of image would be formed then, sir?
Anywhere, see, it is like this. It is about convenience. You may have the lens at 50 centimeter, but the lens will be thinner. That's it.
Okay.
It will be thinner. So basically, the magnifying glass should be thicker. You must have seen at your home, because you will be using the magnifying glass by keeping it closer to the newspaper, or let's say you're writing the medicine, which is in fine prints. Okay, so it's matter of convenience, nothing else.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Next is the big question, or is it a small one? Question number 7. Who will do? Who will do? Have you tried? Have you tried? Try question 7. So first read it for everybody. Hmm. Hmm. So the way you read it, it felt like a English literature class. So we feel that we are so rude. I mean, the engineering. I mean, now I feel little. I'm getting some complex now. So I would have read it like this: we wish to obtain an erect image of an object. Is it looking like a war or fighting? Anna? That's what it is. So that's how engineers are, right? Anyway, so what have you got out of it? We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Within 15 centimeter, right? We just discussed it. So it is a concave mirror and this is 15 centimeter. So where should be the object? Somewhere here. Between 15 centimeter, right? So what should be the range? So from 15 to pole of the mirror, anywhere it can be, within 15 centimeter. What is the answer? The object has to be placed in front of the mirror within 15 centimeter from it. Acha, so that's the range. What is the nature of image? Virtual and erect. Okay, so the nature of image is virtual and erect. Is the image larger or smaller than the object? Who said same size? किसने बोला same size? अरे बताओ. I heard same size. This is the only situation when the virtual image is magnified. अब भी तो discuss कर रहे थे. ठीक है? So it will be larger. Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. Come. Come. We'll solve the doubt. All the online students, draw it in your notebooks and show it to me.
Wrong, sir.
Yeah. You try in your notebook before drawing on the board. It's okay. So online student who is ready, just let me know.
Sir, can I show?
Yeah. Who is it?
Only
Ah. Keep it close and do not move it. Yeah. Hold it. It's wrong, right? What mirror have you chosen? Is it concave or convex?
concave.
And what have you drawn?
It is concave, sir.
This is convex mirror.
It is concave. Maybe it is not visible clearly.
Wait. Am I seeing it wrong? Is it concave or convex? You've drawn convex mirror and you're saying concave. It's not lens, mirror. Unmute your audios. Open the diagram in your book. This is a convex mirror, and the ray diagram is incorrect. It should show smaller virtual image. There are only two images. Just check your notes. Ray diagram for convex mirror, concave mirror. Neil, unmute. I mean,
I got it, sir.
got it, na? So this is so he has forced a wrong ray diagram on a different type of a mirror. It cannot happen. Are you with us? See, other online students, show me your diagram.
One,
Anshul, are you ready? Show me.
1 second.
Complete. Everybody got the mistake? So that was we studied convex and concave lenses, right? Right. And he drew what? Repeatedly that it is a concave mirror. This can happen. This is delusional. Okay. तो ये देखो सबसे पहले तो concave mirror, the reflecting surface is curved out. Sorry, convex mirror, the reflecting surface is curved outside or bulges outwards. So that is a convex mirror. Concave is reflecting surface is curved inwards. ठीक है? You drew the diagram? Show me. हाँ, ठीक है. Draw it. So what's your name? Dhanishtha. Okay. Huh? Dhanishtha. Dhanishtha, draw it. You are using mirror. You have drawn a diagram of a lens. Where is the reflection? Wait a minute. Where is the reflection? When it goes here, it will be reflected to focus. All my teaching has gone for a toss. Yeah. Go ahead. Everybody show me the ray diagrams. Who has made it? It's okay as long as the logic is correct. Yes, this is correct. But why it is parallel? देखो, it should have been diverging, right? So that you get a virtual image behind. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct. ठीक है. Logically correct है तो correct है. ठीक है. Correct. Where is your diagram? So don't be stressed out, just ask. See, this is the thing. When I ask you to come on board and draw it, that's when the mistake will happen. What is wrong in what you have done? F. First ray you have to take is parallel to principal axis. Always.
Sir, I've made my diagram.
Yeah, show it to me.
1 minute.
You have to remove blur. Yes, this is correct. Where is the second ray? Second ray from?
Second ray here, like it's going
right?
on the pole,
Yeah, correct. ठीक है.
and one is parallel.
Right. Pole is also correct, but generally in book you will see it is going through C, center of curvature. Okay? Yeah. So, but your diagram is right.
We can use any method, right? Sir, any rays.
As long as you are doing it right, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Anshul?
One.
Yes. So now where is the virtual image? You have to extend it backward, no? Okay, wait, let me help you. So why are you confused? You have drawn in the notebook, correct? Why nervous? Okay. I'll give you a second try, okay? This is your F, this is your C. Where is the object kept? Between F and C. So what is the first? What is the first ray? Parallel. So this is a reflecting image, right? Reflecting mirror. So parallel will be reflected through first parallel. Array, where is the object? How it will come from behind? From the top of the object, right? Okay. Now what happens? Where will it go after reflection? Usually it goes down. Yeah, very good. So after reflecting mirror, it will cross the mirror. It is a reflecting mirror, so it will cross the mirror. No. It will bend back. Where? Through focus, right? Parallel ray. So see, is now I'm realizing when I'm speaking, right? Everybody understands. But don't, believe that till you try it yourself without looking at things. So when I'm taking lecture, everything is very easy because I am doing the hard work, not you. So there are two things, teaching and then learning. I am doing teaching, right? Whether you are learning or not, it is your responsibility. So learning is another 60% effort. Teaching is only 30-40%. So why your ray is jumping? Where is the rays? Dekho, why you are doing mistake is, okay, listen. No, not like that. So you have to basically join. I told you, take a dotted line, right? Keep a scale, take a dotted line. Now you got the reference. So take the dotted line till the mirror like this. Okay. Now what you will do? You just retrace it. So one ray parallel, one ray along C. So this is the direction. So it will return on the same path. So that is a dotted ray because no ray can go beyond mirror, right? So now dotted ray like this. You have to do a lot of practice to get these diagrams right. This is correct. So first ray diagram we studied for which type of mirror? First ray diagram, concave mirrors. There are 6 object position. What are they? What are the six object position? when we draw the ray diagrams, what are the 6 object positions? Object here, infinity, let her speak. Infinity, beyond C, then say, then at C, then C and F, then at F, between F and pole. These are the 6 object positions for concave mirror, right? Now the mirror is convex. Tell me the object positions. Yes. So for concave mirror, this is the concave mirror, right? Is it concave mirror? Convex mirror. This is concave mirror, right? So for convex mirror, what are the object positions? Only 2 positions. At infinity and infinity. Where is C on this side? C is on that side. This is the thing. So for convex mirror, at infinity, and what is the first point? Pole. Between infinity and pole. Okay? Everyone got it? Look here, you have to get this right. For concave mirror, 6 object positions. All the 3 points are on this side. So then, infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at F, between F and P. These are the 6 object positions for concave mirror. Convex may only 2. At infinity and between infinity and pole. Now, whatever you do for, why this confusion happens, I am telling you. Whatever you did for concave mirror, same thing you get for convex lens. इसलिए गड़बड़ होता है. यहाँ पे concave और convex mix हो रहा है. ठीक है? But the nature of image is same. What is changing? एक तो name change हो गया और position change हो गया. अगर इसका real image सब यहाँ पे बन रहा है, front of image, तो V will be negative. इसका real image सब behind the mirror बन रहा है. Refraction के बाद यहाँ पे reflection के बाद बन रहा है, इसलिए reflection will happen on the same side. That's why all the real images are forming in front of the mirror. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? It is forming after refraction. तो V is positive. ठीक है? ये difference. अब जो इसमें भी object position कितना होगा? How many? How many object positions here? Huh? 6 object positions. Same like concave mirror. अच्छा, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? This is a convex mirror, but this is a concave lens. This is convex mirror. Same in the image formation nature is similar to convex mirror. So only 2 object positions. Now here you have so many references. What references? You have C1, F1 here, and you have F2, C2 here. But now you don't put it for 6 object position. Infinity and optical center. Okay? So that is why we learn mirror first. Okay? Because we have same object position for concave lens. Right? Okay. So we did question 7. Question number 8. Yes. Question number 8. Chalo, headlights of the car. Raise your hand. What type of mirror? Tell. Concave. Headlights of the car will have concave mirror. Side or rear view of the vehicle. Convex mirror. Solar furnace. Concave mirror. Okay? Solar is concave. Very good. Support your answer with reason. What reason will you give? Yes. First one, headlights of a car. So you require a highly focused parallel beam. That's why. Okay. Second, side and rear view. So object behind are seen upright and wider range is covered. That's the reason. Last, solar furnace. To concentrate heat at one point. Very good. ठीक है. Question number 9. Who should do it? You tried? Have you tried any question? You have tried? Who have not tried? Have you tried? No. Got him. Chalo. Question 9. I will be coming to online students also. So question 9 we are doing now. So question 7 we did, question 8 we did. Now we are doing question number 9. Yes, read the question please.
One half of the complex length is covered with a black letter. Resistance produces a complete image of the object. Verify your answer experimentally. Explain your observation.
Very good question you have got. Come here. Come with your textbook. Now is the show time. Action time. Read everybody. Everybody come up with an answer. I am going to come individually to each one of you. While he is doing on board, everybody has to finish it in their notebooks. Why? I mean, am I hanging you? Huh? No, no. We'll verify. By a ray diagram. Through a ray diagram, you show whether you'll be able to form the full image or not. ठंडी लग रहा है. अच्छा अच्छा.
इन लोगों को
ऐसा लगता है, ऐसा लगता है. क्वेश्चन आएगा तो भी गर्मी लगेगी. हाँ. Do it, na? Try. So this is the lens, okay? So everybody see this. This is the lens, right? Now where is the object? Object is kept here, let us say, right? And half of the lens is covered. So light is passing only through the upper half. So I don't mind, like it is above the principal axis anyways. Okay? Right? So chalo, draw karo. In all your lenses, did the light, have you shown light going from below the principal axis? Except for the first case, you have not shown it, right? So image तो बनेगी, full image आएगी. नहीं जाता है ना? बनाओ बनाओ बनाओ, ray diagram बनाओ. Done? Yes, come help him. Erase everything. Make a new one. Facilities. This is a team job, right? Backstage operations, on stage performance, but it cannot happen unless the stage is ready, right? So team job. This is a rock band. We continue after the break. You will come again. Okay, see their faces. They will both come back and do it for us, right? We resume after the break. No. Yeah, come on. Read. That's not half of input light. Okay, half of the lens means the aperture, half aperture. You can't cover that. Then the lens बचा ही नहीं ना. Then it is not a lens. All right. See you after the break.
Sir, you are on mute.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible
Yes, sir,
now?
we can hear you now.
Okay. Okay. So, anybody from online students, have you been able to do this question?
Doing it, sir.
Okay. We are doing question number 9. Till half the length, correct. Straight till the mid portion of the straight. It went up. क्या हो गया?
From here, this point will refract and from here, okay, and then you will draw this line and you will get C.
That means, what were you doing when I was sketching ray diagrams? This is why it is important, to do it yourself, because
Sir, can you check my diagram for this question?
for 9th question, yeah, show me. It's a blunder actually. What lens are you using? It's a converging lens, right? So it should convex, no? Why your ray is diverging? After it passes the lens, it should go down, right? After it passes the lens, it should go down. Why your ray is going up? It's a converging lens.
Sir, can you check my
Yeah, no, Pragya. Yes, Pragna has done a right diagram. Correct. Okay. So everybody look at the board.
It's not even passing through the focus.
So lot of things to learn, right? So good, all of you are able to. ठीक है. It's all right. See, what you could have done is you could have drawn the lens little thinner, right? These are the things that you could have done. Okay. So then you will have no problems like this. Okay. So this is all right. Okay, sit. So I'll draw the diagram. Question 9 should be done like this. So what are the steps in drawing the ray diagram? Pause the lens. Yes. Yes. You have been signed out because you are currently signed in on वो host ने किया होगा. That's okay. All online students are able to see the lecture, right? And hear me.
Yes.
Why is Anshul? Activate your video camera. Host, please follow up with Anshul. Okay, what is given in the question? Half the lens is masked. Okay, it is covered. So this is covered. So no light will be able to pass through lower portion of the lens. This is the situation. No light will pass through the lower portion of the lens. Now, let us say the object is kept beyond C or whatever, right? So let's say this is C and this is F. Is it given that object is kept at what position? That is not mentioned, right? So you can choose a convenient location. Now this is the second surface, so this will be 2F2 and F1. Oh, sorry, 2F2 and F2. This will be F1 and 2F. Is there any mistake in your diagram? You have labeled it wrong. Okay? So what are the mistakes? We'll point out. These things happen. I mean, you can't just randomly name it, right? Which is your first surface? This is the first surface and its curvature is on this side. So 1 should appear here. ये 1, 2 पता नहीं क्या लिख के गया, I don't know. ठीक है? So this is the first surface, this is the second surface, and that is why these names. Hello, why are you sleeping? You started. This is question number 9, right? Now, so we have this diagram. So where will it pass? This is the input ray. First input ray parallel. Where will it pass? Through the focus, right? Straight line. So when you're using freehand diagram, right? The rays could be little here and there, but logically it should be correct. Now, where should the image be? Between F1 and 2F1, because my object position is 2F2, right? So let me pass it through optical center. Now I have to force fit it into this. So it should be logically correct. It should not exceed this. Okay. So why it happened? Because of this F1. That's why don't write the alphabets before. First you complete the ray diagram. Now, is it clear? Now see, the light is passing only through the upper portion of the lens, right? But image is formed. It's not that image will not form. Full image will form. So what is the first part? Yes, it is possible to obtain the full image by covering half of the lens. So full image possible. Is possible. What is the change? See, if the lens was not covered, right, then this information, optical information from lower portion of the lens will also be used. So the image will look less brighter. That's the only thing. If the full light is not able to pass, image will be fade. It will be less bright. That's the only thing. Okay. Otherwise, it would have been well illuminated image, right? Since lens is half covered, image obtained will be less bright. Okay, it will be full image but less bright. It's like when you take photograph with illumination, improper illumination, then the image comes shady. But when you illuminate, right, that's why we have this light, right? Whenever you go to the studio, proper lighting is there, right? And then the image will be perfect. Okay, so the details of the image will be proper when this lens is unmasked. Okay. So verify your answer experimentally. So when we draw the ray diagram, this is the experiment. This is the verification. Verification is yes, full image is obtained. Okay. So explain your observations. I have explained also. ठीक है ना? Anybody has any query on this question? So you can say verification. A full image is possible as evident from ray diagram. Ray diagram above. Okay. So is the verification clear? Full image is possible as evident from ray diagram above. Where is Anshul gone? Anshul, are you with us? I think is question 10 will be done by either Pragnya or Neil. Who wants to go for it?
Just a minute.
Okay. So question 9 done. Now we are on question 10. Question 10. So what is given in this? Neil, what is given in
Height
this?
of the object is 5 centimeter.
So H is 5 centimeter. What else?
Then U is minus 25 centimeter.
What type of lens is given?
Sir, it is a converging lens.
So which is convex. Converging is convex lens, right? Then what else is given? Is held 25 centimeter away from. So U is equal to minus 25 centimeter, right? And F is given as 10 centimeter. It will be plus because it is a convex lens. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size, and the nature of the image form. So solution. What do you have to find out? You have to find V, nature, and size. Size of image. 3 things you have to find. What is size of image? H dash. H dash equal to what? This you have to find. Chalo. So from those who are yet to attempt at board, who would like to volunteer now? Those who have you tried? Come. Huh? Which lecture? Today I have taught you, no? It's about. It's your first lecture today, so it's okay. Come, show some spirit. Whatever I have taught today, it's from that only. Okay. Who would like to help him? You? Okay, come. Let others also get chance. So don't worry, we are doing. So this is not a harassment. This is an activity so that you become more confident. Okay. Yeah, this is an activity, right? It's not an activity. Activity, right? Sir is always right. Okay. Not like that. You can erase, you can erase. See, basically this is like team spirit, right? Also you understand better. So all your fears will go away. Here you don't have to worry about failure or telling anything wrong, okay? But try seriously. It's a learning activity. Neil, you have your friends attempting it on board. So you can take a look also in between. And you solve it and show it to me. In the meantime, let me check who is doing what. Everybody try seriously in your notebooks. Yeah.
covered के आगे is half covered.
Since lens is half covered, the image obtained will be less bright. First, you need to write what? Yeah, you can find V. Then nature will be. It is a convex lens, right? What is the focal length? 10. Where is it kept? Twice of, so it's beyond C. See, from the given data only you will judge. So it's beyond C. So the V will be real and inverted on the other side, right? So beyond C, where the image will form between C and F on the other side. Okay. Everything you can predict. And you can verify your answer from the prediction. That whatever you're getting is right or no. अगर ray diagram का knowledge है. So F10V. So this becomes plus here. When it goes here, so it becomes minus, no? Okay. So is the image position correct? No. So if the object is beyond C, it should fall between. So this is how, right? So this image, this ray diagram is not correct because we know the position should be between. Okay, you try from yourself, then I'll correct later on. How your parallel ray is going above the lens? Yeah? नहीं ठीक है, help him. Even convex lens, height object, सब symbols बराबर follow करो. U minus 20. F is equal to F small f है, focal length is equal to plus 10 centimeter. बुक में पढ़ के लिखो ना यार, तुम्हें वो क्या लिखा बुक बोर्ड पे पढ़ रहा है, बुक में देखो ना, तुमको खुद से करना है वो. Please do not copy it from the board as it is. Read the book and try to get those data. Yes. हाँ ठीक है, you can leave it as it is. Rest. Object is already beyond C. I know that. Yeah, you can write C. But what is which C? 1 or 2? गड़बड़ कर रहा है अभी, ठीक है. हाँ. After this what? Where is the unit and all, whether centimeter? Huh? After this, what you have to find? What is the nature? If V is positive, then image has to be real and inverted because it is behind the lens. So you draw the ray diagram, then you'll be able to answer.
Can you check the diagram?
Yeah, show me. Yes, yes, looks Looks all right. Diagram is okay. This is the diagram you have drawn. Equal क्यों लिखा? Minus है ना? Why you wrote equal? Minus. So minus minus will become plus, right? So 1 by V, you have to find V, right? So 1 by V will be equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Why equal everywhere? One second. You want to come this side? Okay, erase it. Erase the full thing. See, this is V minus U. First write properly. Huh? Okay, otherwise you yourself will not understand. After this, 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10. Now this goes minus 1 by 25. Because this minus and minus becomes plus. So when it goes on the other side, this minus and this minus will become plus. Okay, this and this minus. Okay? So then when it goes on the other side, it will be 1 by 10 minus 1 by 21. Can you do it now? So what is, how will you write? This is 25 minus 10 divided by 10 into 25. This is 1 by V. Okay. So 25 minus 10 is how much? 15 divided by 10 into 25. Okay. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So this is equal to 3 by 50. So what is V? V, now you take the reciprocal, therefore 50 by 3 centimeters. What is 50 by 3? What is it? You find it out. So V is coming positive. Done? Okay, sit down. What is the sequence?
Then here and then there.
Okay, and then,
From here, there.
okay, sit down. So what's your name? Kushagra. Huh? Atharva. So Kushagra and Atharva have tried question number 10. Okay. So now see, compare with this. So I'll point out what are the mistakes they have done, right? So first is, this is which curvature? Second. This is first, right? So second curvature, this should be 2. So 1 you have written. This is correct. Because this I think I wrote or you only have wrote. Who has written? So this should not be 1. This should be 2. This is correct, I think. If it is 2, right? So I think you have written 1 only. Okay, this should be 2 because here both are 2 written. Why this is 2? When this is the curvature, first curvature, right? So this should be 1. This should also be 1. So it should be 2 F2. So red, what is written is red. In red is the correction. Then you should have a input direction. See the mistakes. All of it is going to come in your answer sheets. Then output direction. 4 directions should be there. Since I'm teaching, I've been telling you all these 4 directions, right? Now it is correct. Okay. So the image is What is the V? V should be positive, right? Yes. This is also correct. Yes, correct. It should pass through optical center. The ray should have passed through O, this point. Okay. So these are mistakes in the ray diagram. Otherwise, the diagram is logically correct, but it is not fully correct. Okay. What are the mistakes? Label, direction, not passing through optical center, right? Acha. So you will get only half marks for this. And if teacher is very strict, 0 भी मिल सकता है. क्या? वो नहीं समझ आया. देखो, इसका प्रिंसिपल फोकस क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल फोकस क्या होगा? जो भी पैरेलल रे है वो जिस फोकस से जाएगी दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल फोकस. तो ये फोकस किसका है? ये वाले सरफेस का है ना. लेंस में 2 सरफेस होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट सरफेस ये है. इस सरफेस का फोकस F1 होएगा. सरफेस का नंबर आएगा. अगर ये F1 है तो उसका डबल डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? 2F1. F1 का डबल 2F1. तो इसको तुम C1 भी लिख सकते हो. C1 F1 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो नीचे. ठीक है. या C1 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 2F1. तो ये इसका मिस्टेक है. F2 F2 करके रखा है इसका. समझ आ गया सबको? तो लेवलिंग करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. अच्छा, ये साइड में क्या होगा? ये सेकंड सरफेस है, इसलिए ये अब ये F1 होगा तो बाकी का उल्टा होगा. ये समझ आ गया? ठीक है. डिमिनिश्ड ही होना चाहिए. हाँ, क्योंकि बियॉन्ड सी है ना. बियॉन्ड सी है तो डिमिनिश्ड ही होगा. एट सी होगा तो इक्वल होगा. सी और एफ के बीच में होगा तब बढ़ेगा. नहीं नहीं, ठीक है ठीक है. सो दिस इज डिमिनिश्ड. एज लॉन्ग एज इट इज बिटवीन F1 एंड 2F1 इट इज करेक्ट. सबको समझ आ गया? ये रिवीजन है. जिसने जिसने मिस किया है या जिसका पहला लेक्चर है ये सारा समझ लो यहां से. ठीक है. तो V किधर बन रहा है? पॉजिटिव साइड में. साइन कन्वेंशन क्या है? V क्या है? पॉजिटिव है. ठीक है. और हमको V क्या मिला है? पॉजिटिव मिला है. तो दिस इज करेक्ट. This answer is this answer correct? Verify at the back of the book. This is correct. 16.7, right? So this is the correct answer. Mirror formula apply करके we found the unknown variable V और उसका V का sign क्या आया? Plus, which is okay, which is what we are expecting.
Can you shift the camera a bit to the third column?
The board. You're not able to see the board?
No, like the third one, third part.
Okay, wait.
Yes, so now it's fine.
Okay. Any other question till here? So 16.7, this is correct. What was the next part? Next part, draw a ray diagram, done. Find the position, done. Size and nature of the image formed. So size you will find out using magnification formula, right? So what is the magnification? V plus, this should be minus, right? What is U? U should, and 25, why it is 50? Acha, this is V, okay. V divided by V by U, right? What is V? So 50 upon 3, right? Then 3 by 50 कैसे हो गया? When magnification is less than 1, what does it mean? Magnification less than 1, which means image will be less. It will be diminished. Okay. So the image is, so where is M? So therefore they have found the height also minus 10 by 3, which is correct. So image is, height is negative, so it is real and inverted. So everything is correct they have got. Very good. So this is a very good try. Clap for both of them. Except the ray diagram, they've got and this goof up, which they've corrected, right? But forgot to correct here. So everything they've done is right. Okay? Okay, good. So anybody still has any question on this? Don't be shy, ask. If it is okay, like, I mean, if you're asking anything which you feel shouldn't be asked, aisa kuch nahi. Right? What's your name? Utkarsh. Utkarsh is thinking. What are you not getting it? This is mathematics, dear. Fraction 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Okay. So look here. 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. So please, this is something else. Don't copy. How to solve this? How to solve this fraction? That is not physics, that is mathematics. So you should ask Biju sir. How to solve this? Tell me. LCM. If not LCM, what you do? Just do cross multiply. 25 here minus 10 here, and then multiply the denominators. This is the shortcut. What do you do? Cross multiply and multiply the denominators. So this is a mathematical method, right? Now 25 minus 10 is 15. 10 into 25 is, just leave it as it is. Okay, this is 1 by V. Take the reciprocal. So reciprocal is 10 into 25 divided by 15. Now cut it. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 10 5s are 50 divided by 3. Now this is mathematics. Lot of you are asking me questions related to mathematics that I feel you should know. Otherwise you can't learn physics. You cannot learn physics without knowledge of mathematics. Okay? I will teach physics, not mathematics. Otherwise I'll have to, ask sir for double salary. ठीक है? मैथ्स पढ़ के आओ तो ही फिजिक्स समझेगा. ठीक है. So we have to innovate, right? This is mathematics. Okay? So physics is beyond mathematics. You should understand that. You have to know mathematics to be able to learn physics. It's application of mathematics. ठीक है? चलो. कौन कौन डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है आगे? डॉक्टर बनना है ना? इंजीनियर कौन है? वेरी गुड. सब लोग अपने मैथमेटिक्स पक्का कर लो. यू कैन नॉट. कॉमर्स मैथमेटिक्स चाहिए वहां पे भी, वहां तो और ज्यादा चाहिए. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनेगी या फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर बनेगी, जो तेरे पे भरोसा करके पैसा लगाएंगे. लिसन हियर. बैंकर बनना है ना, सीए. तो तेरे पे भरोसा करके हम पैसा देंगे तेरे को, भाई हमारा पैसा डबल कर, और तूने 0 इधर का उधर कर दिया. कॉमर्स के लिए भी मैथमेटिक्स चाहिए. मैथमेटिक्स इज अ बेसिक टूल. बेटा जब तू घर में ही रहेगा ना, कहाँ रहेगा? घर में तुझे फर्नीचर चाहिए, वार्डरोब चाहिए अच्छा जिसमें कपड़े तेरे फिट हो जाए. तो अल्फा बीटा लगेगा ना. हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस प्रॉब्लम किया है क्या अभी तक? अच्छा ये बता, ये अल्फा बीटा इज जस्ट अ वेरिएबल लाइक वी एफ यू. सिर्फ क्यों अल्फा बीटा? अल्फा बीटा ग्रीक लेटर है. A to Z 26 हमको सफिशिएंट नहीं होते हैं, तो हमको और साइंस चाहिए, इसलिए अल्फा बीटा. उसमें क्या कोई ग्रेड थोड़ी है, जस्ट अ साइन, ग्रीक साइन. भाई हिंदी में देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट में यू हैव अ आ उ इतने सारे हैं कि नहीं? यू नीड सिंबल्स ना. इसलिए तो दुनिया क्या है? इल्यूजन है. सारा कुछ सिंबल है. A फॉर एप्पल, ये तुम्हें पढ़ाया गया है ना। बी फॉर एप्पल भी तो हो सकता था, लेकिन हम क्या बोलते हैं, बी फॉर बेबी। मतलब सिंबल बी को हम ए क्यों नहीं बोल सकते थे, क्योंकि बताया नहीं। ये जो सिंबल्स है ना, ये तुमको क्या किया है, व्हाट इज इट, दीज आर सिंबल। अगर हम इसको बोलते, अगर मैं तुमको बोलता हूं बच्चों बचपन से, दिस इज ए, मैं बोलता दिस इज बी, तो तुम इसको ऐसे ही पढ़ते फिर। ये कुछ नहीं, ये सिंबल है, कहीं कैपिटल कहीं स्मॉल। ठीक है, तो गाना कौन सा है, एक पुराना गाना है ना, ये जिंदगी है खेल, कोई पास कोई फेल, अनाड़ी है कोई खिलाड़ी है कोई, सुना है गाना। ये जिंदगी है खेल, कोई पास कोई फेल, अनाड़ी है कोई खिलाड़ी है कोई, सुनना जाके यूट्यूब पे। हाँ, मैं टीचर बहुत अच्छा हूँ, सिंगर तो पूरी दुनिया है आजकल। ठीक है, टीचर नहीं मिल रहे ढंग के। ठीक है ना, सिंगर तो सब लोग है, सब एक्टर है आजकल, पैदाइशी, सारे पैदाइशी व्लॉगिंग व्लॉगिंग शुरू कर देते हैं। लेकिन ये नहीं समझ आ रही, इसलिए हमारे पास डॉक्टर गड़बड़ है आज इंजीनियर गड़बड़ है। क्यों, ये समझ में नहीं आता, तो समझो इसको। ओके, अल्फा बीटा क्यों यूज करते, समझ आ गया, सिर्फ सिंबल है वो, क्योंकि एबीसीडी सफिशिएंट नहीं पढ़ रहा है। ओके, इसलिए। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। ये 10 था ना, 10 इज डन। See, doing children, I mean students run away from solving numerical, इसलिए इनको समझ नहीं आता। पूरा जो सीखा है, एक न्यूमेरिकल में पूरा चैप्टर रिवाइज हो जाता है, ये हमने देखा भी। तो न्यूमेरिकल्स करो, तुम्हारा सारा चैप्टर रिवाइज हो जाएगा। ठीक है, चलो। अब जिसने थियरी नहीं पढ़ी फिर उसका गड़बड़ है। जैसे अभी वी हैव अ स्टूडेंट जो उसका पहला लेक्चर है अभी, सो ही हैज मिस्ड हाउ मेनी लेक्चर, यू हैव मिस्ड 7 आवर्स, यू हैव जॉइंड अस इन लास्ट 3 आवर्स, तो मतलब उसको काफी कवर करना पड़ेगा। अभी ये किसी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर में नहीं कवर होगा, वी विल बी एबल टू ओनली थोड़ा 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 करके हेल्प करेंगे। ठीक है, तो व्हाट यू विल डू, वी हैव वीडियो लेक्चर्स, हार्गर का पहले का 2 या 3 कितने सारे वीडियो लेक्चर होंगे वो सारे देखो। ठीक है, उसके बाद देयर विल बी डाउट सॉल्विंग सेशन या एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर, और एक बच्ची को एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर चाहिए था तुम्हें, तो यू ऑल डिसाइड एंड देन यू बुक्ड वन। सो आर यू फेमिलियर विद द प्रोसेस? हाँ, तो वो बुक करके जो भी है जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इट, और यू कैन गो टू द काउंसलर, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर, यू विल हैव टू डिमांड फॉर इट। ओके, ठीक है। Next is question number 11. Who will do it now? You want to try? Okay, come. Do you need a buddy? No. हाँ ठीक है, चलो। Question 11. Anybody else want to join him? You want to join him? Next one. You have a question. Bolo. This is question 11. I haven't read it. Focal length minus 15 cm minus 10. Okay. U is minus 10 given. हाँ ठीक है, F is negative 1. अच्छा, ये ना यहीं पे प्लस करके, ठीक है, ये ठीक है। ये क्या कर दिया है? ठीक होना चाहिए, देखो चेक करो आंसर। कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ किया तुमने. Everybody try question 11. Utkarsh. So what is given is the image distance. 10 centimeter is the image distance. You have taken 10 centimeter as the, क्या ले लिया तुमने? हाँ. How far is the object placed from the U निकालना है. देखा, ये गड़बड़ हो गया. What's the name? Huh? Falgun. Okay, Falgun. Okay. You just do. Everybody does on the notebook. We'll do what it is. That's why solving numerical is very important. ठीक है? Nobody will speak. Just do it. ठीक है? V is equal to 6 आ गया. This exercise will prepare you के हमारी मिस्टेक मैं करता हूं ना तो तुम्हें अपनी मिस्टेक पता नहीं चलने वाली. ठीक है? इसका रे डायग्राम भी बनाना है. वेरी गुड. Whatever you are comfortable. If I was you, I will redo everything. Except formula, remove everything. So he identified his mistake. In the question, what is given is V, image distance is given. What he had written earlier was V, he had written as U. Okay? So read the full question. Before capturing data, first read the full question. In the second reading only, you start capturing the data. ठीक है? तो फिर वो मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. U करना अभी U को V क्यों कर दिया फिर से? राइट साइड में U है. It's all U now. V तो तुमको given है. Minus.
I heard the variable wrong.
No, just U. So U is minus 30 centimeter is correct. So U will be here on C, correct. Then parallel.
No. This is the diabetic.
Yeah, so away from the focus, like that. Correct. Very good. Okay. This is it. Yeah. All right. So you had to find what? U. right? So U is minus 30. Thirty centimeter in front of lens. Write down 30 centimeter in front of lens. From lens भी लिखेगा तो भी चलेगा. Front of. Okay, good. So no mistake in this question. He has done it fully correct. So the mistake he did earlier, he realized himself, right? So this is correct. So this is how you have to do. Given convex lens, therefore focal length will be negative. Then this is given in the question, right? So why V is minus 10 centimeter in this case? Because it is a concave lens. Got it? So you have to know this. It is not given in the question. Right? So very important to get the sign right. Then what mistake he still left here is you have to find now U, not V. Okay? So then this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. So now what he has done is he has taken the LCM of 15 and 10. Okay? So he has taken LCM of 15 and 10. So which is 30. Then minus 2 plus 3, which is correct. So V is equal to, or U is equal to minus 30. So don't do overwriting, okay? Cut it and do it properly. This is U. U should look like U. Don't write capital U. This is small u. Okay? This is correct. And this is correct. So you got everything right. Only thing is, for a virtual image, right? This arrow should be dotted. Virtual image arrow should be dotted. Everything else is all right. So you got the names also right. F2, C2. Convex में क्या हो जाता है? ये साइड F1, C1 होता है. ठीक है? क्यों? ये सेकंड सरफेस है ना, सेकंड कर्वेचर है, इसलिए F2, C2. ये फर्स्ट वाला है, इसलिए F1, C1. ठीक है? So anybody has any question? Online students, any question?
No, sir.
So this is pretty clear. हाँ, यहाँ पे 2 है ना, ये सेकंड. देखो फर्स्ट सरफेस कौन सा है? पहला वाला. ये फर्स्ट सरफेस है ना, और ये सेकंड सरफेस है. तो सेकंड सरफेस का कर्व किधर आया? इधर. तो C2 सेकंड सरफेस है ना ये, और F2 बराबर तो है. क्या दिक्कत है? अरे भाई, तो कॉन्वेक्स में दूसरा उल्टा हो जाता है. फर्स्ट सरफेस का कहां पे चला गया? पीछे चला गया. ऐसे मान ले रे यहां से आ रही है, तो ये फर्स्ट सरफेस हुआ, तो इसका सेंटर कहां है? इस तरफ. इसलिए ये C1 और F1 इधर आएगा. ये सरफेस नेम के ऊपर है. ठीक है? ओके, इग्नोर. व्हेन सर्कल से करते हैं. ओके, सो लुक हियर, शी इज स्पॉटिंग ऑल द टाइम. गुड, करेक्ट है. So you have to get a scale and do it. Okay, you don't go and write exam without scale. That's all right. Point taken. So she still noticed. So which is correct? He did the diagram. He is not objecting. You are objecting. Why? Friends. Okay. Stand up. Die for friend. Okay. So this is also you should notice. Okay. Correct observation. What else? Chalo. Shall we go to the next question? Everybody has written it. This is V. This is V. So you should write V like this, and you should write U like this, small letter. Everywhere you should write V and U like this. Otherwise, you'll get confused, like he got. V and U should be clearly different, and these are lowercase. Okay? Do not write small v. This is capital V. This is still capital V. Okay? So in printing, you can differentiate. While writing, write like this. No confusion. हाँ पता चल जाता है. देखो अभी ये V लग रहा है. So this is U. Okay. Shall we go to the next question? This was question number 11. 12. Have you tried any question yet? 12. अभी तक किसने किसने ट्राई नहीं किया बोर्ड पे? रेज योर हैंड्स. मुझे ही पकड़ना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक लास्ट बेंच यू हैव नॉट ट्राइड, सो यू कम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. ब्रिंग अलोंग योर बडी, जिसको भी लेके आना है साथ में. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ओके. Rest will do question 12 in their notebooks and show me. Come fast. Bring your book. You want anybody or you will do yourself? She is not your best friend, na? She is the best friend? Best friend, okay. Sure. So you will only help her. Guide nahi, help karna hai, only. So you take the board now. First you will read. Face the audience and read the question loud. Face, turn around.
Place at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focus length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image.
So first you write down the given data. Give the book to her and write down the given data. Given data. So how you want to write? You want to start from left and go right? Take it. No, start from left. Question number 12, no? Chalo. Everybody do for yourself. Honestly, everybody try honestly, okay? Nobody will tell them, okay? Only do for yourself. Question number 12. You did it? Yeah. Go ahead. Wait a minute. Let me read the question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters. One second. One at a time. Sure. तुम लोग करो, खुद के लिए करो. Everybody do for yourself. I'm going. Wait. So find the position and nature of image. So position, nature. ठीक है. Nature is asked. Where is as asked? Nature is real, virtual. क्या है? Okay. So what have you done? Wait. Let me check. So you minus one, you directly wrote. Okay. Okay. You should write with sign, and then in the next step you should write. Okay. F is what you have not written the name of the lens. So you write concave mirror it is. 12, right? No, convex mirror. Sorry, convex mirror. देखा, इसलिए मिरर लिखना जरूरी है. Now you got it. Now is it registering? See what mistakes you have. Okay. ठीक होना चाहिए. चेक करो आंसर. यूनिट नहीं लिख रहा कहीं पे भी. सेंटीमीटर मीटर क्या है ना, यूनिट लिखना है. नेचर भी बताओ. रेडियन बनाने के लिए बोला क्वेश्चन में. अरे बचिए, क्या खुश होके बोल रहे हैं. नेचर इक्वल टू एम मतलब क्या? नेचर क्वेश्चन मार्क डालो. एम क्या है कि मैग्नीफाइड है, डिमिनिश साइज, वो हिसाब से. क्या नेचर में लिखते हैं रियल है कि वर्चुअल है. ठीक है. साइज पूछेगा तो साइज बताओ. हाँ, मैग्निफिकेशन से भी नेचर मालूम पड़ेगा. पॉजिटिव है तो वर्चुअल. हाँ हाँ, यस यस यू कैन डू. ठीक है. हाँ, यू कैन मतलब यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन स्पेसिफिकली अगर तुम्हारा वी पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव, उससे भी मालूम पड़ जाएगा. ठीक है ना. वी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव से पता चल जाएगा. तो अभी देखो. हाँ, वेट वेट, हैंग ऑन. आई नो दैट नाउ दे आर कमिंग हियर. What is the answer you got for V? 10. Why you are getting 7? 6. कुछ गड़बड़ है. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है ना. कॉन्वेक्स में तो हमेशा वर्चुअल. अच्छा, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर दिया हुआ है तो उसमें हमेशा वर्चुअली बनता है. ठीक है ना. There is no need even for me because it is convex. कैलकुलेशन ठीक नहीं किया लगता तुमने. 5 और 10 का एलसीएम कितना आएगा? 15 और 10 का 15 इंटू 10 30 कहाँ से आ गया? एलसीएम 50 है या 30 है. 2 टाइम्स 3 टाइम्स. हाँ, ओके ओके. चलो बैठो बैठो. एक मिनट. चलो, we'll see if the question is correct or not. Everybody verify your online students. Show me your notebooks. What have you tried?
Which question, sir?
Question 12. Have you done it?
Sir, in question 12, I have directly written that the object is in between F and O. That's why it is virtual, real, diminished, etc.
What is the answer? 6 है ना. चलो. So let us begin. Question 12. Object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So this is correct. From convex mirror, this is correct. Focal length is 15 centimeter. This is correct. Okay. Convex mirror के लिए focal length क्या होगा? Positive होगा. Then find V. So mirror formula. Is this mirror formula or lens formula? This is lens formula. हाँ, वो small f लिखना चाहिए. Capital F is only a symbol. So who did this question? तुमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज कर लिया? मिरर नहीं, लेंस यूज किया है. ओके. लेंस फॉर्मूला इज यूज्ड. क्वेश्चन इज मिरर. लेंस फॉर्मूला इज यूज्ड. तो यहां पे क्या होना चाहिए? प्लस होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना. सो इट शुड बी प्लस. अब तुम अगर इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो क्या आएगा? सेम कैसे आ गया? अरे सेम आंसर, एक मिनट रुको. So 1/15 is equal to 1/v plus 1/u कितना है -10. ठीक है. So 1/v is equal to 1/15 plus 1/10. इनका माइनस होना चाहिए था, उसने यहाँ पे मिस्टेक किया है. तुमने गलती से करेक्ट कर दिया है. क्या किया तुमने? अगर तुम्हारा ये माइनस, ये u क्या होना चाहिए था? माइनस. ठीक है. तो अगर तुमने इसको प्लस कर दिया तो ये यहां जाके माइनस होना चाहिए. तो यहां गलत किया है फिर तुमने. एज पर यू तुमने गलत कर करके सही कर दिया है. ठीक है ना. तो ये सो दिस इज नाउ. सो अभी हम इसका सब कुछ अभी रॉन्ग ही है. ऊपर से रॉन्ग है मतलब ये सारा नीचे रॉन्ग. टीचर क्या करेगा? सिर्फ यहीं पे चेक करेगा. तुमने गलत फॉर्मूला लगाया, आंसर करेक्ट आ ही नहीं सकता है, लेकिन तुमसे फिर से गलती हो गई इसलिए करेक्ट आ गया. सो नाउ, सो हाउ मच इज दिस? मैं कैसे करता हूँ? 10 15 into 10 ऐसे कर देता हूँ. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. सो 1/, therefore 1/v is equal to, अब क्या हो गया? 10 plus 15 is 25 divided by 15 into 10. अब इसको कट कर लो. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So this gives v is equal to 30/5. So 5 6 are 30. ये आ गया. ठीक है. तुमने गलत गलत करके फिर सही आंसर लाया. 2 बार गलत किया तो सही आ गया. ठीक है. लेकिन वो नहीं मिलेगा मार्क्स. ऐसा तुमने फॉर्मूला ही गलत लिखा तो वो नीचे टीचर सब कट ही करने वाला है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज करेक्ट. यहां से करेक्ट है. तो अभी क्या हो गया? पोजीशन मिल गया हमको 6 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में नेचर हमेशा क्या होता है? वर्चुअल होता है. कॉन्वेक्स दिया हुआ है, गिवन कॉन्वेक्स. सो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर विल ऑलवेज हैव, इट विल ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस वर्चुअल. दैट्स इट. साइज पूछा है क्या? तो कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मैग्निफिकेशन का साइन से हम पता कर लेंगे. वो भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो फिर एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो जहां पेपर कंप्लीट करने के लिए टाइम शॉर्ट पड़ रहा है, तो ये टाइम तुम्हारा उसमें जाएगा, वो नहीं करना. ठीक है. चलो लेट्स गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 कौन करेगा? कौन बच गया अभी भी? किस बच्चे ने ट्राई नहीं किया अभी तक बोर्ड पे? आई थिंक शी इज नॉट ट्राइड. ओके. सो यू कम एंड यू ब्रिंग अलोंग योर फ्रेंड. Thirteenth. So we'll just wait. Try yourself. Right. Capture the given data. वो सब करो. It's a theory question. Okay. अरे वाह, good question. Very simple actually. Wait. So if the girls are stuck, Utkarsh is going to help them with the simple answer. So magnification is +1. Plus sign means which image? First, what were you going to ask? Yes, when magnification is plus, it is virtual. And when it is 1, it is of the same size. This is what it means. Okay, so the puzzle is solved. You don't have, image is equal to object. मतलब image size is same as object size. Image distance is equal to object नहीं, यहाँ पे size में बात करो. ठीक है? Okay, what it means is, देखो what you should have written. What is to be written? given plane mirror, right? See, if I would solve like this, and m is equal to +1, right? So what will you explain? Since m is positive, it is virtual image, virtual and upright or erect image. Since m is equal to 1, therefore object height sorry is same as image लिखते हैं, image height as object height. हाँ, इतना कुछ लिखना पड़ेगा. तो m पॉजिटिव भी है और 1 भी है, तो उसका मतलब ये है इमेज हाइट इज सेम एज ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट. क्लियर? ये लिखना था. तुम v और u को इक्वल लेके आ गई. h डैश और h के टर्म्स में भी करो. ठीक है, मैग्निफिकेशन साइज के बारे में होता है. ठीक है, इस केस में v इक्वल टू u हो गया, बट आंसर ये है. ठीक है, चलो दोनों करेक्ट है, बट ये ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर, दिस वाज क्वेश्चन 13. क्वेश्चन 14 अब कौन बच गया है? चलो, वो सारे बच्चे जो बोर्ड पे आ गए हैं उन बच्चों का नाम बताएंगे जो अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. हाँ, और ये 2 बच्चे हैं, और ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. चलो भाई, तुम आ जाओ. 13 नहीं, 14. अभी क्या किया? 13 किया ना. अगर कंफर्टेबल हो अकेले आने में तो अकेले आ जाओ. अगर कोई हेल्प चाहिए, नहीं ऐसे बच्चों को लेके आओ जो अभी तक आए नहीं है ना. हाँ चलो आ जाओ मेरे. जो आ चुका है वो ट्राई करो नहीं आने का. ठीक है, मेरे पास उत्कर्ष है तो गिव मी करेक्ट डेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. क्वेश्चन 14 लिखो. मेरे आराम से करना है, एकदम रिलैक्स हो गए. ठीक है, पैनिक नहीं होना कोई भी बोर्ड पे आ गए. क्वेश्चन 14 ले लो. एक पकड़ के उसको बताते रहो गिवन क्या है. पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. टर्न अराउंड फेस द ऑडियंस. रीड द क्वेश्चन जोर जोर से. पहले अपना नाम बताओ. मयूरेश, Shrikant. Mayuresh and Shrikant, they are doing question 14. Okay, hear them.
The 20 centimeters in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. Find the position of the image, its nature and.
हाँ, तो सब फर्स्ट राइट डाउन गिवन. मिरर के या उसके नाम से चालू करो. So why we are reading the question is correct the question in the volume. Everybody, those who don't have textbook. Question number 14 is an object 5 centimeter in length. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 5 की वजह ऑब्जेक्ट को 5 सेंटीमीटर लिखो. 5 लिखो. वही क्वेश्चन है ना? नहीं, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you are not audible.
Hello. Acha, Pragna, you were saying I am not audible, is it?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
ये कैसे बंद हो जा रहा है बीच में? I think it is lost here. अरे अब सब गड़बड़ है. जब तेरा ऊपर से नीचे गड़बड़ है तो आगे का कैसे? अच्छा, दूसरी चीज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में रियल इमेज बनता है क्या? नहीं, तो ये भी गलत है. देखो, अगर तुम्हारा स्टार्ट में डेटा कैप्चर गलत हो गया तो नीचे देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. आंसर कुछ भी करेक्ट नहीं आएगा. इसलिए मैंने बोला था, अगर तुम्हें रे डायग्राम पता है तो तुम प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि अरे ये तो गलत हो रहा है. मेरा आंसर तो वर्चुअल आना चाहिए था. सबको मिस्टेक समझ में आया? देखो, ये मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. आई एम सॉल्विंग इट सेपरेटली हियर. So now the given data is there. So what is 1 by f? This is the solution. So what is f? F is plus 15. F is how much? Plus 15. So this is 1 by v निकालना है ना अपने को. U is equal to -20. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. अब तुम्हारा आंसर सही आना चाहिए. सो v से इधर कर दो. सो 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Now solve it. 20 plus 15 divided by 15 into 20 is equal to 1 by v. Therefore, 1 v is equal to reciprocal 15.
Sir, you are again not audible.
Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Now, to solve it, what is 60 by 7? How much is that? 0.6, sir.
5.7.
8.6. 8.57. That is 6. So this is equal to 8.6 centimeters. So now V is positive. And it is convex mirror. That means image is forming behind the mirror. Okay. So therefore it is, nature is virtual and upright. Okay? Because since V is positive. So for mirror, if V is positive, it has to be virtual image. So we found V, we found nature. What else has to be found? Position is V.
Position means H dash, right?
That sign is and size. Further, H dash upon H is equal to, for mirror it is minus V by U. So therefore, H dash is equal to minus V by U into H. So what is given? E is, I'll use 60 by 7. What is U? U is minus 20. H given is 5. Minus minus will be plus. This is 3 by 7 into 5. 15 by 7. Which means 2. 7 to the 14. 2.1. So M is positive. Again, it is virtual and direct. So you did not calculate M, did you? You had. So you got.
So this is a convex mirror, right? So it's a bit definite.
Oh, this is H. H.
Then we can substitute get M. Then we can get M.
M की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, हमको क्या निकालना है?
It's already convex.
अगर H is positive, that means it is upright. Image is upright, no? H dash is positive, तो upright हो गया मतलब. क्योंकि upright सिर्फ virtual में ही आता है, वैसे भी कर सकते. ठीक है, मैग्निफिकेशन पूछा नहीं है तो निकालने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, everybody. This is centimeter. So this is the solution for question 14. How many more questions? 3 more questions. Okay. सबको मिस्टेक समझ में आया कहाँ पे किया था?
Yes, sir.
After three questions, where is the break now? After 2 minutes. So we'll be starting the next chapter also in the next class. You want electricity to be how many for electricity? Acha, you want to? अच्छा ये मैंने कलरफुल वर्ल्ड किसके उसमें बुरा मान के मतलब मैं फिजिक्स का टीचर हूँ यार.
क्या बोल रहे हो यार?
अच्छा. Which chapter shall we start? Human should we will go in sequence. Electricity doubt is आप कीजिए for what? अच्छा I will decide. Okay, leave it on to me.
क्योंकि स्कूल में फर्स्ट एग्जाम
ऐसा नहीं कर सकते ना यहाँ पे अलग अलग है तो वो सब देखो हमारे बोर्ड से पहले तो हम सब क्लियर कर दें. अभी स्कूल टेस्ट इज नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट. तुम जो सीख रहे हो उसको अच्छे से सीखो. आई एम श्योर ऐसा स्कूल में तो नहीं बताते ना इतना डीप में जाके मत छोड़ो. ठीक है तो ये अभी जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है वो कनेक्टेड है पहले वाले से. पूरा ऑप्टिक्स खत्म करेंगे. अभी तक जितने क्वेश्चंस के उसमें कुछ डाउट है क्या? आई विल रिज्यूम न्यूमेरिकल आफ्टर ब्रेक. Will be time. ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्लास में तुम लोग से क्वेश्चन क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाऊंगा तो तुम्हें अपने मिस्टेक्स नहीं बोले. ठीक है
15, 16, 17 try सारे try करके आना. Okay. So wait a minute. Take the homework. Those who have packed your bags. 80 बचे हैं. Power electric. Yes sir. वो सारे power वाले क्वेश्चन आते ही हैं. ठीक है. And next class में I'll discuss it. Yes. ठीक है. Next class I will.